How to top up Google by writing articles. Hey fellow bloggers. Hope you're all doing well. So, here is a question for you. Can you rank on Google's first page by writing? Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss some of the tips I will give you. Search engines determine their rankings based on two things. First, is your website relevant? And second, how important your site is. Your chances of making an impact are only enhanced when you address both of these factors. Your degree of success depends on how hard you try, and how many other people you're competing against. Believe me, optimizing your site for keywords is the easy part. Generating links back to your site is much more challenging and time-consuming, especially considering Google's dampening link filter. So, the key to topping Google on a budget is by writing articles. Here's how it works. First, you have to be an expert in your field, so you possess knowledge that other people want. Second, you write a helpful article, sharing your hard-earned knowledge and expertise. Next, you submit your article to recognized article submit sites on the net. So, basically what happens is that publishers of online newsletters get your valuable article for free. The only condition is that they must give you a credit and publish the article with a functioning link to your site. Helpful, well-written articles are snapped up by thousands of publishers from all around the world. What happens next? 200 people publish your article, you get 200 links back to your site. Multiply this strategy by 10 of your articles, and see what happens next. In a few months' time, your blog will top rank on Google. Writing articles can definitely be an effective way to improve your website's ranking on Google and other search engines. When writing, research and use long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are more specific and less competitive than short-tail keywords. By using long-tail keywords in your articles, you can rank for less competitive phrases and get more targeted traffic. Also, use relevant and high-quality external links. They can help improve your website's credibility and authority, which can lead to better search rankings. Don't forget to optimize your website's on-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to the practice of optimizing individual web pages in order to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. This includes optimizing your website's title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. And finally, update your website regularly. Google favors websites that regularly update their content, so try to post new articles on a regular basis. Dear fellow bloggers, it is also important to note that ranking on the first page of Google is not an overnight process. It typically takes time and effort to see results, and it will involve a combination of on-page and off-page SEO strategies. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching. I will highly appreciate if you like the video and give it a thumbs up. See you soon.